Tinan mo yung bata. Pinapakuha ko siya ng ice cream. Namimili pa siya ng bowl. Ano? It's not like this. Gusto mo to, no? This is not like... Sarah, you want ice cream? I want.
Thank you.
Shen, I will steam this for your lunchbox.